you're welcome to today's video. Of course, I want to quickly show you how I normally fix my children wedge designs, because I find a lot of people say, oh, I can't find heel. How do I last a wedge sandal for children without having a heel shoe last? Now, I do not definitely have a heel shoe last, at least for children. But what I do is I control the kind of designs I make for them for their wedges. I try as much as possible not to make anything complex at the toe part. I try to make it straight. If it's not straight, I make it like a cross. I can make like not a bow there, not create a knot at the front for them, so that it will not be obviously obvious that I use a low a low heel shoe last to actually last it. And as you can see here, I'm actually using this beautiful rhinestone cord for them, and it's just going to be that one strap at that front part. So all you need to do is make sure that the design you are picking for them for the wedge design, especially if you don't have a heel shoe last for children and you still want to make children wedges, especially during this Christmas season, ensure that you make something as simple as what you have right here on the screen. And when it comes to their back pattern as well, make sure you don't make anything that is unnecessarily complex. You can see me using my glue to hold my cord down. You can decide to use your contact cement adhesive, your Forte gum. That's a brand of contact cement adhesive if you are not sure. And I'm sure somebody is wondering, how do you ascertain the size of the shoe last and know what to use? I'm going to suggest you join the December free weekend class so that you'll be able to see a lot of this. Now, for the back pattern, you can see what I have there. I know some of us already know how to draw pattern. If you don't know, I have a video on this channel on how you can actually draw this back pattern without even drawing it, on your shoe last. Simple measurements that you can follow to actually draw the back pattern. So with this now, I am still using my low heel shoe last, I hope you know, to actually create this. Now, by the time you position this sandal this way, there are some things you need to consider, especially the height of this side. Now, I normally use about 4 centimeters working with size 25. This is size 25, 26. So 5 centimeters is what, 4 centimeters is what I'm measuring. And I am measuring it from on top of my insole, not by the side of my, you understand? So don't go and measure your own from right, under your insole. No, my measurement is right on top of my insole. That's where I take the measurement. So this one is just 4 centimeters. If possible, you can use 3.8 for them so that it will not be too high on their ankle. So as far as this is concerned, we are basically finished, lasting this particular design. So what I do is place, of course, on the next one just to check. I know somebody's wondering, Madam, won't you show us how you knew, where to actually place the front strap? Trust me, I'm going to be showing you. If you have not liked this video, please like it. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'm telling you, there's so much to learn on that particular channel. So with what we have right now, of course, I have already punched all the straps. I mean the strap where the buckle will be inserted, and I have so beautiful, buckle right in there. You understand? So let me quickly show you how I position the front pattern, because I know some of us will be wondering, am I not going to show us? I will definitely show you. Like I said, don't miss the December weekend shoemaking class. It's free, like I said. For instance, January, people have been paying me for that class. In case you don't know, if you have missed a lot from that class, don't miss that of December. Now, I put my fingers on top of it. You can see that part of my finger that I use. That is what I use for children. Bye.